In this video, we are going to learn how to design this ring with the twisted sweep method. Let's start. So first we'll take front plane and we'll click on sketch icon. And here we'll take a circle command. We'll draw a circle and we'll define the diameter of circle to 100. Okay. Now we'll exit. Now we'll use like vertical plane. I'm taking a top plane here. On the top plane, we'll draw one small rectangle. So I'll just make it perfect square by making both the lines equal to each other. And now we'll define the size 10, and we'll define from the origin this is 50 distance. Okay, exit. Now we'll go to sweep tool. Here we have to define the profile and the path. Profile we have this square and path we have this circle. Now we'll go to options and here we'll change profile twist, specify twisted value, and I'm taking here revolution method and defining 5 revolution I want to make. Do OK. After that we can specify any material. I'm taking steel, applying a cast stainless steel, and OK. So this is how we have created a ring with twisted sweep method. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.